Hey guys, here's a natural shampoo that you can use, and we're going to make it out of coconut milk. So this is a 1/4 cup of coconut milk, and we're going to add that to 1/3 of a cup of liquid Castile soap. So I already have that in here, 1/3 cup of Castile soap, and just stir in a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. And then we're going to add about a 1/2 teaspoon, just a small amount of almond oil. You can also use olive oil. So stir that together, and then to that you're going to add 20 drops of just your favorite essential oil. So I'm going to use a grapefruit oil, but you can use whatever's your favorite. Good, and stir that together. You're going to transfer this to a container that would be either that has a pump or any kind of little container you're going to use each time you wash your hair. You're going to use about a teaspoon of the soap, and it'll keep for a couple months. So you can shampoo your hair as you normally would with this really nice, nourishing and moisturizing natural shampoo.